Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body, but most people don't take care of it until problems begin. A weak liver can cause fatigue, poor digestion, belly fat, and low immunity. The good news? You can make your liver strong naturally. First, drink enough water every day. Water helps your liver flush out toxins and work efficiently. Start your morning with warm water and limit sugary drinks. Second, eat liver-friendly foods. Add leafy greens, garlic, turmeric, beetroot, and lemons to your diet. These foods support detoxification and reduce liver inflammation. Third, reduce processed foods and excess sugar. Too much junk food forces your liver to work overtime and can lead to fatty liver disease. Fourth, move your body. Even 20 to 30 minutes of walking daily helps reduce fat buildup around the liver. Fifth, get proper sleep. Your liver repairs itself while you sleep, so aim for 7 to 8 hours every night. And finally, avoid alcohol and smoking as much as possible. They are some of the biggest enemies of liver health. Take care of your liver today, and your energy, digestion, and overall health will improve. A strong liver means a stronger body. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.